Snacks with Sitara.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Snacks with Sitara on Bite. So this week is dessert week and I am going to show you how I make a quick mocha mousse. So here we have some mascarpone. We've got 225 grams of this, I believe, and it's nice and creamy. I love mascarpone, just like stirring it. We've got Nutella, which is my favourite, which is why it's in the hot bowl. Best ingredient. Some single cream, some instant coffee granules, corn flour, and to garnish on top, raspberries. The mousse itself is quite sweet, so I thought the raspberries have a nice sourness to them that they can cut through. And once it's mixed all together, it will go in the fridge for about an hour to set, and then your mousse will be ready. So first thing I'm going to do is pour some single cream into the bowl. This is 284 mils in here. We're going to put about half in. Measurements don't matter too much because with the corn flour it can thicken up to how we like it to by the end anyway. So just about half can go in. Then we're going to mix in the coffee granules. I haven't used too many coffee granules purely because I don't want the coffee to overpower the chocolate, but if you prefer coffee then you're more than welcome to add extra in. The coffee should disintegrate into the cream and become a nice sort of, almost like a Baileys but without the alcohol. So whisk it until it's becoming this nice brown colour. Don't worry if not all of your granules have disintegrated into the cream yet. As you add the rest of the ingredients they will. So next we're going to add the Nutella. I added 3 large heaped tablespoons into this bowl and I melted it slightly in the microwave beforehand just to make it a bit creamier. So we'll pour this in. Oh, look at that. All that chocolate. And we'll whisk that in as well. Should be getting slightly thicker now, which is what we want eventually anyway, as it's a mousse. We're going into a richer flavour. Amazing. And then finally we're going to add the mascarpone. Gonna put it all in there. So nice and creamy. The mascarpone is nice to add in because it does calm down the richness of the coffee and the chocolate, so it becomes a lot less sickly whilst you're eating it. The last thing you want is a delicious dessert that you can't finish. So I'll just slide the rest in. And then we'll whisk that in also. Just to make it slightly thicker, we want to add a little bit of corn flour. Don't add a lot in one go because corn flour is very good at making things thick and it does it very fast. So just add a little bit, mix it, and if you feel like you need more, then you're more than welcome to add more. So mix that in. You want to make sure you whisk it properly. You don't want lumps of corn flour flying around. There we go. This is ready to go into a mould and set and sit in the fridge. So we'll pour it into a mould like this. I like to use cocktail glasses because they look really classy. Just pour it in very slowly. So this will now go in the fridge to set for an hour and then we can take it out, garnish it with some raspberries and dig in. So just so I don't have to make you wait the whole hour with me, I took the liberty of making one earlier. I've garnished it with some raspberries on top, but anything goes with chocolate. You can do strawberries, blueberries, chocolate chips, do chocolate on chocolate, it's always great. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm going to give it a taste. It's the first time I've made it, so let's hope I enjoy it. Really good. So that's it from me. It's been an amazing 4 weeks showing you the world, the vegan, the dessert and also the seafood dishes. I've had a really good time. If you'd like to see more from me, you can always watch on my blog on Instagram. It's Juhi Foodie. I'd love to see more following on there and have you guys see more of my dishes. And it was great. Thank you.